Here, V, look at this. Is your favorite page in Fancy Nancy. Come here. Oh no. Veronica's reading a book of hope. I see you. Here, who's this boy? Who's this?
Boy.
A boy? And who's this?
A boy.
Is that a boy too? And who's this?
Mama.
Uh-huh, and who's this?
A Papa.
And who's this?
Ava.
And who's this?
A Grandma.
A grandma. Who's this?
Apple.
And who is this person right here?
Chichi.
Who is that?
Chichi.
Is that JJ? JJ is in a Fancy Nancy book. You can go back to your... Do you need hope, V? Do you have no hope?
Say.
Bye, V. Oh, are you leaving? Bye.